Hi guys, and welcome back to Gadget Guide. If you're a coffee lover looking for the perfect brew without the hassle, you're in the right place. Whether you need a quick cup before work, a compact machine for your office or dorm, or a versatile brewer for home and travel, today's video has you covered. We're counting down the top 5 best single-serve coffee makers, featuring fast brewing, space-saving designs, and pod and ground compatibility. From budget-friendly picks to feature-packed favorites, these coffee makers deliver great taste every time. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get started. Number 5. Horavie Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Horavie Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker is a compact yet powerful solution for coffee lovers who value convenience and flexibility. Designed to support both K-cup pods and ground coffee, it offers adjustable brew sizes from 6 to 12 ounces, making it perfect for a quick morning cup or a more relaxed coffee break. Built with BPA-free, heat-resistant materials, this coffee maker feels safe and durable for everyday use. The transparent water window is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to easily monitor water levels and avoid overfilling. With fast brewing technology, it delivers hot coffee in just 120 seconds using a simple one-button operation, ideal for busy mornings, offices, or dorm rooms. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens, office desks, RVs, or travel use. One standout feature is the automatic descaling reminder and self-cleaning function, which helps maintain performance and extend the machine's lifespan with minimal effort. Overall, the Horavie single-serve coffee maker combines ease of use, smart features, and space-saving design. It's a reliable option for anyone looking for fast, mess-free, and versatile coffee brewing at home or on the go. Number 4. Tastyle Single Serve 1-Cup Coffee Maker. The Tastyle Single Serve 1-Cup Coffee Maker is a compact and convenient solution for coffee lovers who are always on the move. Designed with a portable handle, it is easy to carry and perfect for travel, camping, offices, RVs, dorms, and small apartments where space is limited. This mini coffee maker supports both K-cup pods and ground coffee, allowing you to brew up to 20 grams of grounds for a rich, customized cup. The included reusable filter lid helps prevent grounds from entering your coffee, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable taste every time. Both the pod holder and filter are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. With a simple one-button operation, brewing is fast and hassle-free. Just add water, insert your pod or grounds, and enjoy a fresh cup of coffee in about 3 minutes. The visible 12-ounce water tank includes clear markings for 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces, letting you control coffee strength easily. The 800-watt energy-saving design features automatic shutoff after brewing. Additional safety features such as BPA-free materials, overheat protection, and a descaling reminder make this coffee maker reliable and safe for daily use. Number 3. Keurig K-Mini Mate Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Mini Mate Single Serve Coffee Maker is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy great coffee in a small space. With an ultra-compact width of just 4 inches, this brewer fits perfectly in apartments, dorm rooms, offices, and even festive holiday setups where counter space is limited. Designed for single-cup convenience, the K-Mini Mate brews up to 12 ounces of coffee in just minutes, making it perfect for cozy holiday mornings or late-night coffee cravings. It is travel mug-friendly and accommodates mugs up to 7.25 inches tall, allowing you to brew directly into your favorite mug and take your coffee on the go, ideal for busy mornings or holiday road trips. The sleek, modern design blends effortlessly with any decor, making it a stylish and thoughtful gift option. Available in elegant color choices, it complements seasonal themes and adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Lightweight and fully automatic, this coffee maker is simple to use and reliable for everyday brewing. Backed by strong customer ratings, the Keurig K-Mini Mate delivers trusted performance, convenience, and style, making it a smart choice for small space living and holiday gifting. Number 2. Tastyle Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Tastyle Single Serve Coffee Maker is a versatile and modern machine designed for both hot and iced coffee lovers. With 3 brewing options, hot brew, bold, and over ice, it allows you to customize your coffee exactly the way you like, whether using K-cup pods or ground coffee. Equipped with a generous 40-ounce removable water reservoir, this compact coffee maker supports 6 brew sizes ranging from 6 to 24 ounces. The transparent tank makes it easy to monitor water levels and refill without spills, keeping your countertop clean and organized. Its travel mug-friendly design fits mugs up to 7.3 inches tall, making it ideal for busy mornings and on-the-go lifestyles. The machine includes a capsule holder, a large reusable ground coffee filter, and dual removable drip trays that reduce splashing and simplify cleaning. Many parts are dishwasher safe, adding extra convenience. With features like auto shutoff, descaling reminders, and a self-cleaning function, maintenance is simple and stress-free. Powered by a 1000-watt heating system, the Tastyle coffee maker delivers fast and consistent brewing for home, office, or travel use. Overall, it offers excellent flexibility, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a compact yet multifunctional single-serve coffee machine. Number 1. Keurig K-Express Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Express Single-Serve Coffee Maker is a powerful and stylish choice for anyone who enjoys bold, great-tasting coffee with minimal effort. Featuring a dedicated strong brew option, this machine enhances flavor strength and delivers a richer, more intense cup whenever you want an extra boost. Designed for everyday convenience, the K-Express offers 3 cup sizes 8, 10, and 12 ounces brewed at the push of a button. Its large 42-ounce removable water reservoir allows you to brew up to 4 cups before refilling, making it ideal for holiday hosting, family gatherings, or busy mornings. Coffee is brewed quickly, so you never have to wait long for a fresh cup. The removable drip tray fits travel mugs up to 7.4 inches tall, letting you brew directly into your favorite mug and head out the door. An energy-efficient auto-off feature shuts the machine down 5 minutes after brewing, helping save power. With a sleek, modern design and compatibility with the My K-Cup reusable filter, the Keurig K-Express combines flexibility, performance, and ease of use. Backed by excellent customer ratings, it's a reliable single-serve coffee maker that's perfect for gifting or everyday enjoyment. That's our list of the top 5 best single-serve coffee makers. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Gadget Guide, and share your favorite pick in the comments. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.